Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I've got another plan with me, and I'm going to show you there's 3 different types of washi tape. One is green, one is like a red checker with a little bit of black on it, and another one has got like it's pink. It's got a little shade of pink in it. I kind of pre-looked at my colors before I did this to kind of know what colors I wanted to work with, and so I decided to do a bar at every other one. So that's what you see me doing here. So I put the green little leaves or trees down. They look like little Christmas trees, and I did them on every other one. Now I'm using the pink, and that's what you see me doing, was putting the pink on. And then the last one that I'm putting on now, it's got black at the top and it's checkered at the bottom, which I thought the black and white checkered would go appropriate with the theme that I was looking for. And the back of this seasonal one, after each season, they had these stickers that have arrows and hearts and things like that. I decided to get the little arrow ones and put them down on the last line of each day. So that way, that's how I kind of meal plan. So that way, I know what I'm having for dinner. So it'll remind me whether or not I need to pull something out of the crock pot. And this is something I just started doing. So now I'm writing what's for dinner, and that's just a mental thing to let me know I need to figure it out. Sometimes that week I will write down after we go to the store, I want to fix this, 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 and this. And sometimes I'll do it in pencil, it just depends. But you'll notice I'm only doing it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because on the weekends it's really up in the air of what we eat. Now I'm finding little stickers that are left over in my seasonal booklet to kind of put on the side. I don't want to use a lot of my space up for stickers because I actually do write my to-do list in there each day. So I want to be careful that I'm not using too much of the space up. So I love the smaller ones on the side. It still gives me a lot of white space to be able to write stuff, and so I keep going through just trying to find different things, seasonal sayings or whatever. One said hot cocoa, and one said wrap gifts, because I definitely want to be wrapping gifts by this time. So it's just little things like that. I went to my productivity book and I found this little banner that said must do, and there's little check boxes at the end, and I figured that would be a good thing of little things maybe I'm forgetting that I need to purchase with the holiday season, and then I can check it off with the little check marks that are already on in the planner now, because this is, I don't think I said it in the beginning, but this is my newer planner. And then I found a little motivational sticker that I decided to put on there for Friday, because I'm always looking for things to keep me. Then I found this little sticker in my productivity one that said reminder, and I decided I couldn't find a sticker to say what I wanted to say, and I pretty much wrote do your best. Because in the holiday season, we just get so hectic sometimes that we need to remember do the best we can. That's all we can do. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know to keep on doing it. And y'all come back now. Y'all here?